Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy to see you today. In today's fun grammar lesson, we're going to learn all about punctuation marks, those little symbols that help our writing make sense. Each punctuation mark has a special job, and I've highlighted them in bright colors in each example sentence so you can spot them easily. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Let's start with the question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question. Example, can you help me with my homework? Next is the period. A period is used at the end of a statement. Example, today I learned how to use a period in a sentence. Now, let's learn about the comma. A comma helps separate items in a list or phrases. Example, I need to buy an apple, an orange, and a banana. Here comes the exclamation point. We use an exclamation point to show excitement or strong feelings. Example, what a fun surprise that was. Next up is the quotation marks. They show when someone is talking or when something is quoted. Example, I'm excited to go to the fair this weekend, exclaimed Jane. Let's talk about the ellipsis. An ellipsis shows a pause or when someone trails off while thinking. Example, weeks later, I finally found my missing toy. Here's the apostrophe. It shows possession, that something belongs to someone. Example, Jeffrey's new box of markers had 50 different colors. Now, the colon. A colon is used to introduce a list or quote. Example, Jane was going to buy 3 things, a blanket, a shirt, and a book. And last, the semicolon. A semicolon joins 2 sentences that are closely related. Example, Jake went to the library to study. It was the only place quiet enough for her to focus. Great job, everyone! You did amazing learning about punctuation marks today. Now you know how to use periods, commas, question marks, exclamation points, and more to make your writing shine. If you had fun learning, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss our next lesson on grammar fun. See you next time, champs! Goodbye!